Hello students, welcome to DAV Moil Public School, Sita Sawangi. I am your English teacher, Mr. Gajanan sir, and today we are going to do the second part of one beautiful poem, Our Tree. Okay students, so let's see. We have completed first three stanzas of this poem. Now let's read once again what we have learned in the previous class. It takes so long for a tree to grow, so many years of pushing the sky. Long brown branches stretches the arm, reach out of with their wooden fingers. Years drift by, fall like leaves, from green to yellow, then back to green. Okay, students, means it takes a lot of time for a tree to grow and to become a very big tree. Its branches spread very, means it takes a lot of time to spread the roots and the branches. Since my granddad was a boy, and then before his father's father, there has been an elm outside our school, its shadow long across our playground. Today, three men ripped it down, chopped it up. It took 10 minutes. Now, students, see, the poet is saying to us that when his grandfather was a boy, it means near about 2 to 3 generation before, means 200, maybe 200 years before. Okay, maybe 100 years before, there has been an elm outside our school, means there was a very beautiful and long tree, long and big tree. That elm tree was there in their school building, so its shadow long across our playground, so it's beautiful and cool shadow was there long across in their playground, and under the that shadow of that tree children used to play, and they used to sit, they enjoyed to gossip, talking, and they used to tell stories to each other. So one day what happened, three men ripped it down, chopped it up. It took 10 minutes. Now see how sad this is. The beautiful tree used to give a cool shadow to the children, okay, in their school playground. But now see, the tree was around 100 years old, but three men came and they just cut down the tree, and it took only 10 minutes. So students, have you seen that it took lot of time to tree to grow? The poet here mentioned that elm tree, that tree was around 100 years old, but within 10 minutes these three people cut down the trees. So this is beautiful poem, and it gives you the message that tree is also a very essential part of our life, but for our selfish purpose we are cutting trees. So student, see what is the theme of this poem. The poem Our Tree makes a strong plea in favor of trees. Trees are important not only for human beings but also for animals. Every effort should be made for the preservation of flora. The destruction of the trees can be disastrous for mankind. Trees are our best friend. Okay, students, this is the theme of this poem, and this is exercise. You fill in the blanks and write down this summary in your notebook. Okay, this is the end of your video.